How everybody doing? I'm introducing the vertical chest plate, do's and don'ts, rights and wrongs. Let's get it, all right? First things first, always remember, make sure your seat is in the right spot. If you're not in the right spot, please stop. Always make sure your seat is in the right spot. This here is your pin. This is how you adjust your weight depending on what you want, your desired weight of how you feel. So don't get too nervous. Just make sure it's effective and you can feel it. I'm going to take me a 65. That'd be good for me. Get in here. We got a nice grip here. Make sure the posture straight up and just push it forward. Let it back slow. Back out. Nice and slow. Take your time. Go through the motions. Different variation. You grip it here as well. Target the chest a lot different. Press her out. Beautiful flow. Press it. Back slow. Press it. That's the main thing you want to remember. It's the muscle group that you're working. That's where you want to feel it. If you do not feel it in the muscle group, I said before, please stop. Some don'ts, you don't want to be like this. Trust me, okay? Yeah, this is just, right? No, I don't even look right. I look like a clown. Like, come on, straight goofy. It's not going to work, all right? We come up here. Come on now, look at me. I'm just, look like a kid in Chuck E. Cheese. It's not right, you know? So the main thing is always making sure you're doing it the most effective way so you can get the best result. If you don't feel that the weight is challenging or it's not challenging enough, always remember, you can always add more weight. You don't want to kill yourself by trying to be He-Man and Strongman with all this extra weight. You just want something that's effective and you can feel it. And I always remember this, if you're doing reps and you're going through the motions, if you got a few in there for an extra set, do it. What are you holding it for? Put it out there. Leave nothing in the tank. It's only work, I promise you. Your results will come, but leave nothing in the tank. Let's get it.